Fantastic, just what I wanted. Quick shipping. Great, just like the originals for my MIG welder. It's important to match the tip to the diameter of the feed stock while you are here. Buy some tip dip. That keeps the MIG tip free of debris. Has a bit of tight tolerances for my 035 Blue Demon flux core wire. But a couple passes with my torch tip cleaner helped big time. Tips work great. Very happy with my purchase. Well made. Still using the first tip that was installed 2 weeks ago. Forney products should be a top contender when looking for really good welding products. Worked as expected. Perfect for Lincoln Electric. I had some doubt when ordered, but they fit perfectly. Work well so far, even on my POS Power MIG. Not much to review. Fits Forney flux core welder, and possibly others. Works great, looks great. I highly recommend this product. Appear quality, have not used yet, always had another brand on hand. They work as described. They don't have wrench flats, so pliers are definitely needed to install and remove them. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.